gonna wait for a few people to join. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? I am back with yet another live. So usually, it's a pretty chilled, whenever I'm doing lives, okay, it's like, it is pretty sorted and stuff. But today, I am very excited, I'm very, very, very excited about this one. Because I have one of my favorite, celebrity couples who are going to be a part of this. And I am very excited to talk to them. But for all of you who do not know me, my name is Shravan Shah. I'm the entertainment head at Miss Manvi. And today, I'm going to have a conversation with Ravi Dubey and Sargun Mehta. I cannot wait to talk to them. They'll be joining the live any moment now. And yeah, it's going to be काफी amazing conversation. So before they join in, let me just read all the questions, all the messages that are coming. There's Afshin who's saying hello. There's JP Hassan. Mr. Marwari, hello brother, how are you doing? Usha is here. Also, there's Tejaswi News here. Then there's Mahu Creations. A lot of people are here. And I am just going to, and I'm actually waiting for both of them to join the live. Once they join the live, I'm going to begin the conversation with them. And I am very, 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 very excited. So, काफ़ी exciting होगा ये conversation. I'm going to talk to them about something very interesting that they've worked on and they'll be releasing. And yeah. So I'm just gonna wait. And a lot of messages. Saran, is that the way you talk to yourself in the mirror? Because it's not funny, man. Yes, even I am waiting for them. Saravi, waiting for them to join the live. Kafi log are part of this live, but before they join us, guys, you guys tell me, what are you guys up to in the lockdown? Because it's been almost 2 months, 2.5 months. What are you guys up to? And what are you guys watching? Are you guys doing something special? Is there a new hobby that you guys have developed? Tell me. Yes, Ravi Dubey, love, that's exactly what I'm going to be talking to them about. Exactly that. So yeah. Saran Murthy, the funny part is you're still here. So yeah. I am just going to. Ayush is saying घर के काम. Same buddy, same. I'm waiting for them to join the live. They haven't, I haven't got a request from them yet. Why can't I see a request from them? Why? Bhai, add karo, haan. Even I'm waiting for them to send a request. Toxic. Also, Soul Curry is your WhatsApp. Soul Curry. Tell them we love Toxic teaser. Yes. And please save this live session. I will, Ravi Dubey fanbase. I will do that. I am waiting for them to send a request. I haven't got a request yet. I will, M Surbi, I will be posting this video on IGTV. So yeah, काफी excited. Soul Curry saying, what's up? Nothing, Soul Curry. Please ask Ravi how his experience. I will. I'm still waiting. And the wait is too long. Coffee waiting. Yeah. So, Avya is here, guys. Have I got a request? I still haven't got a request. What am I doing in the lockdown? Prachi is asking. What am I doing in the lockdown? I have been cooking. I have been doing lives, a lot of lives. I have been doing some ghar ka kaam. That's about that. Then there's Shraddha Doshi saying excited for Saravi, same year. Then Avya is saying my favorite, same. Then Alice Kara Peter is saying hello Ravan Sweets. What's up, Alice? Ask her about her next movie. I will ask. I surely will. Can't wait for Toxic to release. Same man, after that amazing teaser that they had launched, I can't wait for Toxic. But again, where are these guys? Where are these guys? Where are these guys? I am waiting. Should I just quickly text them and come? What do you guys think? By add, Suraj, even I'm waiting for them to send a request, but till they don't send me a request, I can't add them. And I'm going to do one thing. I'm just going to quickly drop a message to them, and you know, have I got a request? Have I got a request? No, I haven't. I'm just going to quickly drop. Yes, so I have. काफी गर्मी है शायद. Yes, it is too hot. It is. Sargun is here finally. Sargun is saying hi. I am just adding her. What's up? Oh my god. Kafi wait, but finally you guys are here. Where is the...
You know, I didn't realize that
हाँ
time हो गया. जब
हाँ
मैं I was busy like loitering around the house saying, Ravi, jaldi bahar aao, it's going to be fire.
Where is Ravi? Where is Ravi?
Now the next time,
हाँ
कोई भी आपसे सवाल पूछे कि तैयार होने में ज्यादा टाइम कौन लगाता है, you know.
Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so till Ravi joins us in the live, Sargun, I'm going to ask you this. That, you know, before you guys join the live, a lot of them, a lot of your fans have been saying, please tell them to talk about Toxic. Okay. It's an amazing teaser. How can somebody say this? कि ये मतलब lockdown में बनाया गया है? Because it's shot so well. You guys look so amazing in it. And when I saw the teaser, I was like, this is my, you know, this is the worst nightmare because you guys are so cute on Instagram. You guys are so cute. Whoa! Hello, what's
How
up?
are you doing? I am so sorry. I'm so sorry that you all have been online and I have just like just come in
I've
right
told
now.
everybody now.
But yeah, between both of you now, I know who's taking the more time to get ready.
I don't take time to get ready.
Yeah. You know that.
I do not
Or
take
maybe
time to get
Sarah took
ready.
a lot of time to get ready, and then she gave
Yeah.
it to you. Props that.
No, I'm telling you, I'm multitasking all the time. So there are times that one schedule spills over the other. It's just that, nothing else. My intention is always to be on time. I just have a bad clock.
I'm going to believe Sargun here. But okay, so Ravi, before you joined, I was just telling Sargun that when I saw the teaser of Toxic, it didn't look like a. It is shot in the lockdown, and you guys are so good in real life that when I saw the Toxic teaser, I was like, yeah, this is the worst nightmare that can ever come true with these guys behaving this way. Okay, how did you guys react when you guys were approached for this one?
So when Badsha called, he's like, there is something ये गाना है ना, पहले आप लोग सुन लो, आप आपकी इमेज के साथ जा सकती है, but आप लोग सुन लो, would you be able to do it? Would you like to do it? So we're like, okay, हमने गाना सुना and both of us were like, So it's genuinely toxic.
Can you see me clearly?
Yeah, I can. You can't? We can go back.
There's some connection. I think there's some connection issue on your side, but you can see me, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. Chalo. Yeah.
So हमने कहा, oh, गाना तो सच्ची में toxic है, doesn't go with our image. So that was the first reaction, but we loved the song. So we're like, now what to do? So then I looked at Ravi, I said, but when Badshah song comes, you have so much expectation out of it. अभी उनका वो release हुआ था, Genda Phool and
Genda Phool, yeah.
That. So people are looking forward to the video. I said, buddy, ये घर में करने वाला काम नहीं है. But he was very confident. He's like, nahi yaar, we'll pull it off. People know that we are doing it in the lockdown. And
Yeah.
we have nothing. How will we shoot?
Yeah.
दिन में shoot करेंगे. We have daylight. And phone है, आजकल iPhone में 4K camera है. Let's do it.
Yeah.
And he literally took like all the responsibility of it.
Wow.
Every morning he'd get up and say, हम ऐसा करेंगे सरगुन, हम यहाँ से ऐसे करेंगे, यहाँ से ऐसे करेंगे, ऐसे करेंगे. What do you say? And I'm like, The next morning he'd get up again. So we'll start from here, then we'll go on like that, we'll go on like that. I really troubled him a lot during shoot. I think I've been the most comfortable heroine to work with for everybody else, but for this director.
काफी demanding director है ये.
है ना?
Ravi, what do you have to say, Ravi, about this? The fact that you were directing this one, being a part of it, how was the experience like?
Yeah, it's a beautiful experience, and more importantly, I think when you have somebody like I have to also say that about the entire Sony team who's been so supportive and literally kind of put so much faith. Do what you do, and tell the story you want to tell it like. And especially Badshah Paji, I have to. I personally feel a lot of gratitude for that man. I've seen people, the smallest amount of power reach to people's heads. And
That's true.
Here is this man with these dizzying heights that he's seen in terms of success, in terms of popularity, in terms of work he's done, and he's still so surrendering. So a video like this may not be easy to shoot, but it is a beautiful challenge. So it's been a lot of fun doing it. Also, the point of the video, which since we are talking, I want that to also come about, that I think that toxicity in a relationship, na?
Yeah.
Like if you even see the teaser, it's about this couple jinka relationship puri tarah barbad ho chuka hai, khatam ho chuka hai. And so now the question is it totally beyond repair, or is there still some hope for these guys to come together, or any other couple? It can be symbolic of any other couple also.
Yeah.
So that is something that has become more evident in the video.
Okay, I wanted to ask both of you all this question. Okay, that you guys are genuinely couple goals. Okay, you all know that by now. Your pictures are couple goals. Okay, but when do you start realizing? When does a couple usually start realizing, as per your understanding, that okay, this relationship is now getting really toxic?
So, you want to take that?
I don't know. I don't know how it gets toxic, frankly. I think. I think this is the time, the quarantine time. I've been telling a lot of people, we've been dealing with it, we've been seeing it around us.
Yeah.
People, there's no patience.
Yeah.
You don't want to surrender to your partner. You don't want to surrender to their ego also sometimes. Like, अब इतना we only talk about कि नहीं हम दोनों एक ही पैदान पे खड़े होकर लड़ेंगे. So, मतलब we really don't want to surrender to each other's wishes or dislikes or likes.
Yeah.
But I think that's what we do. आप अपने माँ बाप के साथ आपका relationship toxic नहीं है because वो आपको बता रहे हैं, आप rebel करते हो, फिर आप सुन लेते हो.
Yeah.
But in couples nowadays, you don't want to see that. You want to say, मेरी ये बातें, मेरी बातें, मेरी बातें, मेरी बातें.
Yeah.
So I feel the minute you feel that you don't want to talk to that person because of your ego or your self-respect, it's toxic enough.
Yeah.
Because
yes. You need to have that bird's eye view, whether it is your ego or your
burst from there. So yeah.
I wanted to ask you, Ravi, this, that, once you realize that, hey, this has become toxic now. Okay.
Yeah.
Where do you draw a line and be like, hey, you know what? I need to take a step. Either it's here or there. I cannot be hanging in between.
Okay, so at least at the first step, it's not that black and white. That's what I feel. And also, I think me and Sargun, as a couple, as husband, wife, as partners, as friends in a relationship, we share a beautiful camaraderie. But I would still say that we as a couple are also not immune to this toxicity. It's like, you today you're walking in healthy, and it's just because you're healthy today doesn't mean that your immune system cannot get compromised and you're not. And toxicity is not something that one fine day your relationship becomes toxic.
That's true.
Gradually, bit by bit, day by day, So the moment it begins to enter or creep into your life, it's important that you pull it out, nip it at the bud. Before you give it up, give it a shot.
Yeah.
So that should not be the first way out. I think, you invested so much emotion, so much time, so much of camaraderie, so much of, so much you have given to a relationship. Don't just give it up or throw it away just because suddenly you begin to disagree with each other. After all, you are two individuals who came in and formed the relationship, right? Two different upbringings, two different worlds, and you've made a world of your own. So एक लाइन है जो हम लोग यूज भी करना चाहते थे कि घर में अगर दीमक लग जाए तो दीमक का इलाज किया जाता है, घर नहीं तोड़ा जाता है.
That's right. Oh, not bad. That's really nice. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a few fan questions. So Vaishnavi is saying teaser is mind-blowing, waiting for the full song. Then there's a fan club that has asked, how do both of you all manage to keep your energy so high?
नीचे किसी ने लिखा है इंग्लिश सर के ऊपर से जा रही है। ये मैं रोज रवि को बोलती हूँ। बड़ी आपकी इंग्लिश मेरे सर के ऊपर से जा रही है और हिंदी भी।
Yeah, but how do you manage to keep that energy high all the time?
Do we have high energy? Now I'm going into like अभी actually पता है क्या? I think हम दोनों की एक इकट्ठी स्पेस है where we enjoy doing whatever we are doing. बट एक अलग अलग स्पेस है जहां पर वो जो एंजॉय करता है वो अपना टाइम उसको बहुत डेडिकेट करता है और मैं जो एंजॉय करती हूँ मैं उसको बहुत डेडिकेट करती हूँ। सो आई जस्ट फील दैट जब आप कुछ ऐसा कर रहे होते हैं जिससे आप बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं यू आर ऑटोमेटिकली हैप्पी एंड व्हेन यू आर हैप्पी अबाउट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग योर एनर्जी। सो आई थिंक वी गिव ईच अदर सो मच स्पेस एंड हम लोग एक दूसरे के अंदर मतलब स्पेस के अंदर नहीं घुसे रहते।
I think so that's another important thing in a relationship where you have to give each other the space. You can't constantly, you know, on somebody's head all the time because it then gets to a level where like bro back off.
Imagine 60 days in a lockdown in a house and उसके ऊपर से if you don't give each other space, not happening.
Not happening.
Not
Okay.
happening.
What I'm going to do now is I'm going to lighten the conversation and I'm going to play a game with you guys. Okay, it's called the couple game. Okay, let's see who wins in this one. There are 20 questions. It has to be quick. Let's do this. Who is better at planning surprises? Okay.
Yeah, I have to give her. I have to give her that. I don't know how to give surprises at all.
Who shops more?
Who shops more?
Yeah.
Shops?
Yeah.
नहीं सरगुन अब तो तेरे चक्कर में मैं करता हूँ
I
शॉपिंग
tell you what, he walks into a store, tries on 1,000 clothes and doesn't buy any. I
Whoa.
walk into a store, try on 2 clothes and buy 10.
Who has more shoes, by the way?
Shoes you have, but rest.
Okay.
So she
Who
brands
is a
into my life.
better?
Sorry.
No. Tell
नहीं,
me.
मेरा हाँ तो मैंने वो फ्राइडे की मार्केट लगती है ना लोखंड वाला के नीचे हैव यू सीन वेबर कलर के नीचे लगती है ना ट्यूबलाइट के नीचे 100-150 की टी शर्ट्स मिलती थी मैं वो पहना करता था शूटिंग पे भी देन आई गॉट मैरिड टू सरगुन एंड शी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड मी टू ब्रांड्स यू नो सो देन आई
Is it
बिकेम
true, Sargun? Is everything that he's saying true?
हाँ सॉरी
Sargun is saying yes. I agree with him. I asked Sargun, is it true? Okay, your next one. Who's a better bathroom singer?
Oh, I'm a better singer, bathroom or not in the bathroom?
she's a better singer but it's better to she only sings in the bathroom she shouldn't sing outside.
Oh my god. Now we realize that she's winning at this. Okay. Who keeps the room messier?
Why are
Yeah.
you even asking this question?
Wow. Okay, next one. Who made the first move?
Who made the first move? I'm very classy like that, so it's her.
Okay then. Okay. Who cooks better Maggie?
Better Maggie, she cooks better
I
everything.
just cook better.
You have to come home one day, you know what?
I will. I for sure
She's a
will.
revolution. During the lockdown, she's a revolution. And every single day she is.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm lucky to be locked down with her. And
Next one. Who's always ready to splurge money on food?
ready to?
Splurge money on food.
On food.
Wow, Sargun is winning
I
at this.
think
Huh?
it's just me.
I'm wondering, I'm like, why is he not answering? Next one. Who was the first to fall in love?
First to fall in love.
Wow.
Yeah. I was waiting for you to fall in love now.
Correct.
Okay. Who never forgets anniversary dates?
Her.
What is this? Why are
Why are you playing this question? Should we just announce her as a winner?
Yeah.
Okay. Who always leaves the dishes on the table after eating?
See? Now you
He's
have
saying no. Now he's saying no.
2 days
Sorry.
you've kept your
Since
dishes back.
Suraj, since
2
Suraj is
days.
gone, no.
2
That's incorrect.
days.
Sargun is
That is
counting frequency कर रही है वो.
Since Suraj has
2
gone,
days.
I always keep my dishes.
Never.
No, I never leave them on the table. That's incorrect.
Okay. Back on. Okay. Who's better at managing finance?
relationship boss. ये relationship toxic हो रहा है.
Who's better at managing finances?
Her.
Yeah. Wow.
Definitely her.
Okay.
Because अब तो नहीं पता नहीं क्या ही होगा.
That's cute. Who wakes up early?
That depends.
Yeah.
That
Like,
Oh.
depends on who sleeps first.
Who is the biggest party animal?
Oh
Party
God,
animal.
him.
I'm not a party
He can
animal.
party after 2 parties.
No,
Oh.
Like when the party is getting over at 3 a.m. in the morning, that's when he tells people, चलो घर चलो after party करते हैं.
Pre-party, pre-party, party, post-party, post-pre-party.
Yeah,
This guy.
he definitely do that.
it's like the inception of parties. A party within
Yeah.
a party within a party.
Party में दूसरी party, तीसरी party. Oh, not bad. Okay, who drives better?
Oh, me. He's
That's
a
incorrect.
terrible driver.
No.
I swear, I can call
Yes.
anybody up right now. Anybody up. People
I-
don't want to sit in the car that he is driving.
You're wrong.
Oh
here.
my God.
गलत है, you're wrong here.
He's
Wow.
very bad.
ये toxic वाला
Okay.
relationship बहुत.
Wait for the next one that's coming. Who says sorry first?
Him.
Yeah.
Oh, that is very honest. And not bad. Not bad. Okay. Who cries at the movies?
Who cries in the movie?
Him.
Oh, that's cute. Okay. Who doesn't believe in organizing the wardrobe?
Him.
Wow.
Yes.
Ravi, do you realize that what this game is turning out to be?
It's just.
Who needs more
अरे गंदे वाले मेरे
pampering?
ऊपर ही आ रहे हैं. हाँ,
Who
sorry.
needs more pampering?
Pampering तो
Me.
यार सर.
Of course.
All the time.
We need pampering all the time.
I need attention all the time.
Okay. Who is never wrong?
Me, of course.
Actually,
Never.
she is never wrong. I can disagree with her, but in the end, she is always right. मैं बता रहा हूँ,
Oh.
she अगर आप हाँ, she's got this cosmic instinct. ये ना
This is how you train your husbands. Hi, Jaggi.
जगी, hi जगी.
This is
This
Jaggi.
is 101. Training your husband 101.
हाँ.
Okay, next one. Who's a crybaby?
Me.
हाँ.
During lockdown, तो definitely मेरे को बाहर निकाल दो. मुझसे नहीं हो रहा. मुझे मम्मी के पास जाना है. All in.
Okay.
The other
Who
what
is
happens-
more romantic?
Romantic, I think that's
I think we both are not romantic.
yeah. वो romantic जो conventional वाला है ना, I don't think
हाँ.
either of us are.
Not bad.
Yeah.
And the last one, who dances better?
Him.
No, now Sargun.
No. Him.
Sargun.
Him. Both
Wow.
of us.
But different kind of dance.
This
We
is-
both can't do what each other, like, I can't do what he does. That's why I don't dance with him.
So
And
Oh.
he
she
can't do
can
what-
do what I do, but I definitely cannot do bhangra. I have like 3 left feet when it comes to bhangra.
Yeah, that is true.
That we have to.
You want to show them one Bhangra
Which
step.
This is an example of a cute couple. From here, we move on to my next segment, which is the last segment, which is a rapid fire. Okay.
Okay.
Sargun has already won the couples game.
Am I
Clearly,
getting a gift? Are you
Are
sending me
you
a
yes,
getting
the
a-
hamper is on the way. Matlab, as soon as the lockdown gets over, it reaches your house. Yeah. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to play a rapid fire and like coffee. It's called. If Karan Char was doing it, it would be coffee with Karan, but I'm doing it, so it's coffee with Shravan. But coffee is over because lockdown is there, so it's water with Shravan now. Okay? And I'm going to say what Karan would say, like, let's keep it rapid and full of fire. So are you guys ready?
Ready.
Let's do this. Your
Let's
most
do it.
used emoji.
Most used emoji, mine would be the hug.
Mine would
Yours
be
would be? Oh, okay. 3 apps you use the most.
Instagram, Snapchat, Netflix.
Instagram, WhatsApp, and all the movie apps like Netflix, Prime, Hotstar, everything.
Not bad. Okay. 3 numbers on your speed dial list.
I don't really use a speed dial. Never used a speed dial, but if I would be using it, Sargun would be definitely number 1, undoubtedly. Sudeepan, my manager, would be number 2. You know Sudeepan.
Of course, I know Sudeepan.
So yeah, Sudhi would be number 2. He's also a close friend. That's why Danny would be number 3.
And if we are just thinking of what the speed dial list would be, mine would be Ranbir Kapoor, Shah Rukh Khan.
Of course.
And,
Your husband's looking from behind. Do you read?
I'll put Ravi also on speed dial.
Ravi on third, right?
ये toxic हो रहा है relationship.
ये toxic हो रहा है, ये बहुत toxic हो रहा है. Okay. Your 4 a.m. friend in Bollywood, you all can name each other.
A 4 a.m. friend in Bollywood.
Yeah.
Okay, so for me it'll be again. I think it'll be Sudhi or Danny.
Bollywood.
Bollywood.
Like your friends, like actor friends. Mine would be Amy Virk and Jagdeep Sidhu. Definitely.
Not bad. What about you, Ravi?
यार ऐसे कोई खास मैं सच बताऊं तो 3 a.m. friends मेरे हैं नहीं.
Oh,
2 AM भी मैं हूँ, 3 AM भी
3
मैं
AM
हूँ,
भी यही है,
3 PM भी मैं हूँ, 3 PM भी मैं
3
हूँ.
AM भी यही है.
not bad, not bad. Okay,
Karan Mahi.
Why? Yeah, I
Karan
think
Mahi.
as
Karan
why
Mahi.
I can call
Okay,
anytime.
Yeah.
if Karan Mahi is calling you at 2 o'clock in the night, why is he calling both of you?
Why would he be calling?
I don't want to say why.
You maybe have a
You
drink
don't
or a
want to say
video
why
call.
would be calling? I want to hear Sargun's answer now.
क्या सर बोलो?
I'm also actually Wahi's lucky charm. So he would be calling me saying, मुझे कल मिली थी ना, बहुत सही चीज साइन करके आया हूँ मैं, बहुत सही प्रोजेक्ट साइन करके आया हूँ मैं. I just want to celebrate. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. A Bollywood film you all can watch over and over and over again.
A Bollywood film that we can watch over and over. There's so many. Jojita Vai Sikandar for me, and now all Rishikesh Mukherjee films.
Yeah.
All of them. I've just found, he's one great filmmaker. You can show me a Rishikesh Mukherjee film. You can show me Bawarchi 100 times.
Wow. What about you, Sargun?
You don't want to know.
Wow.
I'm so typical. I am a Suraj Barjatia fan. I'm a very.
Basically, Z Cinema every Sunday is you.
Yeah.
I have watched Hum Saath Saath Hai, I don't know how many times. My real brother was going to get married. We were looking like arranged marriage.
Uh-huh.
So when he came to Mumbai, I made him sit at 1 o'clock in the night and made him watch Vivah. I said, after this, you would want to get an arranged marriage.
Wow.
And this is it. Vivah was the only reason that I didn't want to fall in love. I was like, how are we going to sing to the moon? How are we going to do all those things?
Life is not actually like that, you know. You
Yeah.
don't. You never really think of it.
Suraj Barjatia fan.
But
उन्हें मुझे
cute.
कब उन्होंने करके बुलाया है अभी?
I'm a fan. I don't
I'm
follow
a
them.
fan, huh? Okay. Next one. Wait, let me make it difficult for you. Okay. A book that y'all have recently read that y'all loved.
I've been reading this book. Actually, I read this book some time back, and I prefer short reads. So there's this book called The World's 50 Greatest Speeches.
Okay.
And it has speeches from Subhash Chandra Bose's speech,
Wow.
Queen Elizabeth I, Abraham Lincoln, the greatest people in the world, their speeches. And I'll maybe give you that book once the lockdown is over.
Done. Done. What about you?
I am currently reading this book called Do Akalgad, and it's a fabulous read. Apart from that, I think every day I read a few pages of a Deepak Chopra book, whatever it is. But
Hey.
it just, yeah,
Okay.
it works for me.
Next one. 3 songs both of y'all are currently hooked on to. Bollywood
Old
song.
school, Mittaradi vibe balliye, old school is karke hype balliye, old school.
Oh wow. Yes, same.
We are
Okay.
always listening to the song. Then we're listening to Toxic nowadays because we
Yeah.
heard it, so we are addicted.
Uh-huh.
And which other song have you been listening to? Boralullo karamine lamba lamba choo.
Nice. Game the fool, huh? We saw her sing by the way, Ravi. Just
sorry?
we saw her sing. And she sings well. She sings well.
If he doesn't sing well, you're just being nice, Shravan. We all know that.
Okay.
आओ कभी हवेली पे दिखाते हैं आपको.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee, definitely.
Coffee.
Coffee or desserts?
Desserts.
Coffee.
Desserts, coffee. Not bad. Okay. Gulab jamun or rasgulla?
Gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun.
Gulab jamun or ice cream?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream or jalebi with rabdi?
Ice cream.
No, jalebi with rabdi. Any given day.
Jalebi with rabdi. Okay. So for you, jalebi with rabdi or chocolate mousse? For you, ice cream or chocolate mousse?
Ice cream.
Jalebi with rabdi.
Jalebi with rabdi. Not bad. Both of you all, the items that you have picked up or rasmalai?
No.
Ice cream.
Jalebi with rabdi.
What? Okay.
I'm loyal that way.
Whatever y'all have picked up, that or cheesecake.
Ice cream.
No, jalebi with rabdi.
Wow.
Just in there.
Wow.
This conversation is
It's
not
over.
going
I
on.
have, this has been really difficult to move you on from that decision. Okay. Vada pav or pani puri?
Pani puri.
Wow. Pani puri or pav bhaji?
Pani
Pani
puri.
puri.
Pani puri. Pani puri or chole bhature?
Pani
Pani
puri.
puri.
Pani puri or momos?
Pani puri.
Yeah.
So basically, because both of y'all, इतना think मैंने कभी नहीं देखा है. Okay, so after this lockdown is over, pani puri and ice cream and jalebi with rabdi is what you're getting in the hamper because both of y'all have won this one.
वो तो खराब हो जाएगी जब तक जब जुहू में आपका ऑफिस है ना, वहां से यहाँ आते आते तो खराब हो जाएगी बहुत.
No, so I'll order. No, I'll do one thing. I'll reach your house and I'll order. I'll do that. I'll do that. Okay, and the last question to both of y'all. In the year 2020, Ravi wants dash, Sargun wants dash. Fill in the blanks.
Sargun wants a vaccine for COVID-19.
COVID-19, yeah, I think
That's all
just
a pass.
some
That's
more
all a pass.
security and literally just some more security and certainty for the future. Not just for myself, but I think everybody. That's the one thing that all of us are lacking at this point of time. And health and prosperity and joy for everyone. That's it, including us.
Thank you so much, guys. You all were brilliant as usual. And your hamper is waiting for you all after this lockdown gets over. And I can't wait to see you all. Take care of yourself and toxic kafi soon.
See you.
Bye bye, guys. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.
Enjoy
Bye bye.
song. Bye, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.
So that was Ravi Sargun for you guys. If you have missed this conversation, do not worry because it's going to come back on the IGTV where you get to share it with your friends. I'm going to be back with yet another live. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself, and stay safe. Adios.